The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was sitting in the mosque with his companions Sahaba when he said, "A man from the people of paradise will enter now." Soon, an unknown Sahabi entered. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam had given him the glad tidings of paradise. The next day, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam again said, "A man from the people of paradise will enter now." Once again, the same man entered. On the third day, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam repeated the same words, and once again, the same man walked in, offering his prayers in a simple manner. Seeing this, Abdullah bin Amr bin As radiallahu ta'ala anhu became very curious. He wanted to know what special deed this man was doing that earned him the guarantee of paradise while he was still alive. So Abdullah bin Amr bin As radiallahu ta'ala anhu made an excuse and stayed as a guest at the man's house for 3 days to observe his habits and actions. However, he noticed that the man did not engage in extraordinary worship, no longer prayers at night, no excessive recitation of the Quran. Before leaving, Abdullah bin Amr bin As radiallahu ta'ala anhu finally asked him, "Uncle, I actually come to find out what special deed you do that made the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam testify that you are from the people of paradise." The man smiled and replied, "Nephew, I do nothing more than what you have seen. However, before I sleep, I make sure my heart is free from any hatred, jealousy, or ill feelings towards anyone. I keep my heart pure for everyone." Hearing this, Abdullah bin Amr bin As radiallahu ta'ala anhu said, "This is what has raised your rank. It is the purity of your heart free from jealousy and hatred that has earned you a place in paradise, as testified by the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam."